Think European luxury means a stress-free, top-tier ride? Think again. Beneath the polished badges and plush interiors lie money pits with Wi-Fi, from recalls that make mechanics cringe to tech acting like haunted toasters. Some six-figure sedans could drive you off a financial cliff. Not all luxury sedans are cursed, just these 10. According to experts and Consumer Report-style reviews, here are the European luxury cars that might turn your dream garage into a recurring nightmare in 2025. Let's peel back the leather and expose the trouble beneath. Number 10. 2023 Volvo S60. The 2023 Volvo S60 is a head-turner with sleek lines and modern charm, but it comes with baggage. Behind its elegant design lie frustrating tech glitches and transmissions that struggle to commit. With annual maintenance around $750 and depreciation hitting up to 50% in 5 years, it's a costly affair. While comfort and features impress at first, frequent bugs and lagging screens sour the experience. For the same price, a BMW 3 Series or Audi A4 delivers similar luxury with far fewer headaches. Number 9. 2023 Volvo S90. The Volvo S90 ups the luxury game from the S60, but unfortunately, it also amplifies the headaches. Despite its upscale feel and comfort, it suffers from a hefty 56% depreciation over 5 years and infotainment that's as sluggish as dial-up internet. Maintenance costs are steep, especially with complex turbo and hybrid powertrains. It's a classy ride, but one that might leave your wallet weeping. For better value and reliability, the Mercedes E-Class or BMW 5 Series are smarter long-term choices. Number 8. 2024 Polestar 2. The Polestar 2 makes a strong first impression with its sharp design and 408 horsepower punch, but reliability issues quickly zap the excitement. Owners have faced battery glitches, malfunctioning cameras, and screen freezes that turn the tech-laden cabin into a frustration zone. Its 260-mile range is solid, but with limited service centers, even minor repairs can lead to major delays. The sleek Scandinavian styling can't cover up its growing pains. For a more polished EV experience, the BMW i4 is a smarter, smoother alternative. Number 7. 2024 BMW i7. The BMW i7 is a luxury EV masterpiece on paper. 536 horsepower, nearly 300 miles of range, and tech so advanced it feels like a spaceship. But in practice, it's more like a moody robot, with power loss recalls and infotainment glitches that frustrate rather than impress. Gesture controls and rear seat lounges are flashy, but when the system freezes or boots slower than a toaster, the glamour fades fast. At a starting price of $124,000, it should feel flawless, not fragile. For a smoother ride, the Mercedes EQS or Audi e-tron GT offer similar luxury, with fewer software-induced breakdowns. Number 6. 2024 Mercedes-Benz EQS. The Mercedes EQS promises cutting-edge luxury with its spaceship-like cabin and 536 electric drivetrain, but it's also carrying a glitchy ghost in its machine. At over 5,800 pounds, this behemoth glides like royalty until software bugs or battery shutdowns leave you stranded like a peasant. Owners have reported infotainment issues and suspension repairs, so expensive they make your credit card sweat. Even over-the-air updates can lead to dealer visits, turning convenience into chaos. With a price tag between $110,000 and $130,000, you'd expect perfection, not panic. The EQS may look like the future, but the BMW i7 or Audi e-tron GT might get you there with fewer detours. Number 5. 2023 Mercedes-Benz S-Class. The Mercedes S-Class has long been the monarch of luxury sedans, but the 2023 model shows that even royalty can stumble. With a reliability score of just 2 out of 5 and annual repair costs starting at $871, it's not exactly a stress-free reign. It offers up to 510 horsepower and comes loaded with massaging seats and nightclub-worthy ambient lighting, but also tech bugs and brake issues that make ownership less than regal. Infotainment can be more confusing than comforting, and even the famed Maybach trim isn't immune to hiccups. Starting at $125,000 and climbing past $180,000, you'd expect perfection. If you prefer a throne without the tech tantrums, the Audi A8 or BMW 7 Series might be more reliable royalty. Number 4. 2024 Audi A8. The Audi A8 gives off presidential vibes, but with the reliability of a sketchy campaign promise. Repair PAL rating, 1.55. Annual maintenance, $1,298. Power, 335 horsepower, V6, up to 563 horsepower in S8. Price, $92,000 plus. Owners complain about glitchy MMI systems, air suspension gremlins, and sensor errors. And while the A8 is loaded with tech and sound systems that can summon angels, the price of maintaining it could summon bankruptcy. BMW's 7 Series, or even a Mercedes, might be less risky long-term. Did we really just say Mercedes is more reliable? Yes we did. Number 3. 2023 Maserati Ghibli. The Maserati Ghibli is the go-to ride for anyone looking to make a bold post-divorce statement. But owning one might just be your next emotional crisis. With a brutal 61.3% depreciation rate over 5 years, it's a luxury car that quickly loses its luxury value. Common issues include engine warning lights, squeaky suspensions, and unpredictable electronics that behave like a moody ex. While its 424 to 580 horsepower engines deliver serious performance, every repair is a wallet wrecker thanks to sky-high parts prices and a sparse dealer network. Break something simple. Enjoy waiting weeks for it. It's quick, flashy, and wrapped in fine Italian leather. But so is a bottle of Chianti, and that won't ruin your credit. If you want similar style without the psychological toll, go for a BMW 5 Series or Audi A6. They'll give you the flair without the despair. Number 2. 2023 BMW 7 Series. The BMW 7 Series is a luxury land yacht, gliding with power and presence. But under the hood, it's harboring some serious reliability drama. Repair PAL slaps it with a concerning 2 out of 5 reliability rating, while average annual repair costs hover around $1,027, higher than you'd expect for a car of this caliber. And don't forget the financial sting. It loses roughly 61% of its value in just 5 years. The 7 Series offers up to 536 horsepower and a starting price of around $70,000, ballooning past $100,000 for fully loaded trims. However, owners frequently report clunky suspensions, glitchy infotainment systems, and even dashboard cracks, which are a far cry from German engineering's famed precision. While the 7 can be sublime when everything works, that's a big if. For those who value serenity over stress, the Mercedes S-Class, with fewer tech recalls, or even the understated Lexus LS, with its reputation for rock-solid reliability, are smarter, smoother rides. Number 1. 2024 Maserati Quattroporte. Claiming the top spot on our list of luxury letdowns is none other than the 2024 Maserati Quattroporte, a car that's as breathtaking to behold as it is terrifying to maintain. With an eye-watering starting price of around $139,000, you'd expect supreme reliability and tech to match the prestige. Instead, you get a depreciation cliff, over 63% in just 5 years, and a 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 that's prone to throwing financial tantrums if you so much as delay an oil change. Sure, it belts out 424 horsepower and sounds like a Ferrari crooning at the opera, but the reality includes aging infotainment, costly parts, and engine issues that make your mechanic richer and your wallet thinner. Fuel economy sits at 17 mpg city and 25 mpg highway, which is decent, until you're stranded waiting for a rare replacement part. For a smarter splurge, try a well-equipped Mercedes or BMW or even a Genesis G90. They'll deliver luxury and performance without the opera drama or bankruptcy risk. If this luxury list made you laugh, cringe, or rethink your dream car, mission accomplished. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Got a car horror story of your own? Drop it in the comments. We live for the chaos. Until next time, drive smart, stay sharp, and avoid anything with an Italian badge and a warning light.